Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Gorilla Tag crashing on SteamVR. This will be a step-by-step guide, so follow along to fix this problem. Just before you do begin, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, make sure to comment down in the comment section down below and I'll happily answer them for you. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. So the first thing that I'd recommend is basically open up your Steam right over here, click on Library, go to your game, right click on it, click Properties, go to Installed Files, and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. So what will this do? It's gonna fix any corrupted files that might get the game keeps on crashing even though you're on VR. Sometimes it's missing a file on the games, that's why it crashes. Once it finishes though, just go ahead and wait for it to completely finish. Once the game is fully validated, as you can see right over here, let's go ahead and close that out and relaunch the game. But if the problem still persists, go ahead and right click on your games once again, go to Manage, Browse Local Files, right click on the executable file for the game. It should be Application, as you can see right over here, right click on it, Properties, Compatibility, and make sure to click on these two boxes right over here, Disable Full Screen Optimizations, and run this program as administrator. Go ahead and click on Apply right over here, OK. Relaunch the game right over here, and it should be fixed. If gone, or if it's still going, crashing on your VR, just go ahead and right click on the game once more, Properties right over here, and as you can see on launch options, go ahead and type this in, -DX11. Close that out, and it should be fixed. And I hope you guys find this video helpful. That will be all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.